Welcome back. I'm Joey Seeley, owner of Emotion Engineering. You all know this car very well. It's the 991.1 Turbo with the 991.2 GT3 Cup bodywork. Makes 850 horsepower, has lots of great goodies, but we're here for a little tech session. I've talked about it a number of times, our strut tower reinforcement, which we'll be putting on this car, but this one actually has the factory Cup car reinforcements, although they're not working. That's what I want to show you. So let's take a look. What you see here is the factory cap that I was talking about. This reinforcement plate is intended to tie into the roll cage right here, which it's a street car, doesn't have a roll cage. And you can see some people have made an adapter so that you can bolt it in similar to ours, but in this case it doesn't. So this is just a washer. That's all it is. It's doing nothing. Nothing is preventing the strut top or camber plate from punching through the aluminum strut tower here. So this is literally just a washer, like a big fender washer. That would make sense if maybe the tower is going to collapse that way somehow, which it doesn't. It's pushing this way. So the companies that do put a little adapter here and tie it to the side of the strut tower, sure, that works a little bit. Not quite as good as ours, and we'll show you why once we get this out of the car. Okay, so you can see the obvious differences between the two. This is a nice thick material. This is stamped and thinner. This is the tab that mounts down to the roll cage. We have the similar tab, a little thicker, obviously, but we also have the ability to tie into the factory strut tower reinforcement that goes from the strut tower to the bulkhead. And then, of course, the other side of the tower. So one place to tie down. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 with the strut tower brace that, as you've seen, ties down to the frame rail. But you can see the major differences. All right, so we're going to give you a measurement in millimeters because no one likes fractions. But this plate is 1.5 millimeters thick. Our plate is 3 millimeters thick. So double the thickness, 4 times the amount of tie-down locations. It doesn't take an engineer to determine which one's going to be a little stronger. In the last episode, or the installation update, we shared the old version 1 that had the countersunk tie down to the cap here, and then version 2 with the slotted. Here you get a little bit of a close-up. So variations between cars are now no longer an issue, and stock is no longer an issue either because they are now inventoried. So give us a call, send us an email. We'll get you sorted out.